This is the Xiaomi Redmi Pad I have in front of me, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign in if necessary, then enter the Opera query. After that, well, I've accidentally happened to have this app installed, so after you'll find the Opera app, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. After that, you would want to launch it. In here, tap on this blue continue button that you should have gotten, but we didn't. So you'll get the following page. So in here, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app already. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.